Entebbe, where's that? It's the capital of Uganda in the heart of the great continent of Africa. Advancing with the times, it's now extended its airport, which is now the largest in Africa. It can accommodate any aircraft flying, including the Brabazon. Owned by the British Overseas Airways Corporation, it recently had an official opening. Local people gathered for the great day. Then came the Guard of Honor composed of the Uganda police, and very smart they were, too. The acting governor, Mr. Potter, performed the ceremony in the presence of the Kabaka of Uganda and his wife. He addressed the gathering and broke the Union Jack. Of course, a day like this wouldn't be complete without a demonstration by some of our latest aircraft. That's a Vickers Viscount showing its paces. While this was going on, vampires were being fueled. Then came their turn, and they gave a demonstration of formation flying at speed. Phenomenal physique was recently